Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of must-have storage bins that keep your kids' school stuff organized. Watch till the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with GAMENOTE Rainbow Wooden Desk Organizer. Consider the GAMENOTE Rainbow Wooden Disc Organizer for your kids' desk to brighten their study space while keeping the desk organized. This charming and functional organizer features a vibrant, colorful rainbow design that brightens any room. Made from natural wood with no smell, the desk organizer is strong, safe, child-friendly, and has sturdy construction. It has 5 differently sized compartments to keep pens, markers, and crayons tidier and easier to find. Arriving fully assembled in a gift box, this desk organizer is a thoughtful present for your kid. Generally, you will love its cute look, functionality, and spacious compartments that hold many supplies. Absonic Acrylic Pen Holder Pencil Organizer. Next up is the Absonic Acrylic Pen Holder Pencil Organizer. As its name suggests, this organizer is made from high-quality transparent acrylic, making it strong, sturdy, not easy to scratch, and easy to clean. Its 360-degree rotating base makes organizing and locating your supplies easier, keeping everything at your fingertips. With 6 large storage compartments, it can hold up to 250 pens or other stationery, like markers, crayons, scissors, and paintbrushes. Its ability to hold a variety of stationery makes it multi-purpose and ideal for office, home, school, or art spaces. You will love its soft spin and the fact that it comes with a carry handle for easy transport. Learning Resources 10-piece set desk organizer. Last on the list, we have the Learning Resources 10 pieces set desk organizer. This 10-piece set provides all the space needed to keep your classroom, playroom, or office clutter-free. Its carousel-style base holds 8 colorful removable containers, each with an easy-to-hold handle for quick supply access. Made from high-quality plastic, you'll appreciate its durability and excellent functionality for organizing large amounts of stationery. Its colorful containers will adorn your child's desk and brighten their room. Which is best? The Absonic Acrylic Pen Holder Pencil Organizer is the best storage bin for keeping your kids' stuff organized because of its numerous functionalities. Its 360-degree rotating base makes supplies easy to locate and offers ample capacity, making it highly functional and versatile for various spaces. Thanks for watching.